Listen. Can you feel that? Deep in your chest? A tiger's roar can be heard from up to 2 miles away. But today you're going to get closer, much closer. Say hello to one of the largest cats on the planet. Some adult male tigers can weigh up to 650 pounds. One swipe of that powerful paw can crush a buffalo skull. These tigers are used to me and my cameras, so you'll get to see some amazing behavior today. No two tigers are alike. Their stripes are as unique as our fingerprints. And actually, that's how we identify and study individuals, by their stripe patterns. They even have stripes on their skin. This perfectly adapted apex predator has no known natural enemies, except, unfortunately, humans. We've revered tigers for centuries, but that hasn't stopped us from driving them to the brink of extinction. In the last 100 years, 96% of wild tigers have disappeared. 96%. This tragic decline is mainly due to habitat loss and poaching for the illegal wildlife trade. Whiskers, tails, skin, eyes. Every part of the tiger is sold on the black market for use in traditional medicine or as status symbols. Even their bones are used to create tiger bone wine. Check out these photos I took of confiscated tiger parts caught coming into the United States. I know they're hard to look at, but it's important to understand what's happening. Even today, many people believe that consuming products made of tiger parts will cure diseases or impart